In this video, we'll be covering the most essential fingerpicking patterns you need to know. You'll learn the basic, in and out, 2-string, and chord picking patterns. Let's get started.
6th E, thumb on the 5th string, A, thumb on the 4th string, D, index on the 3rd string, I, middle on the 2nd string, M, B, and then A, the ring finger on the 1st string. So we're going to start with the thumb on the 6th string, the thumb on the 5th string, the thumb on the 4th string, index on the 3rd string, the middle on the 2nd string, and the ring on the 1st string. So now if we were to go off of the letters of the fingers, we have P6, P5, P4, I3, M2, and A1. P, 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 I, M, A. So now we can also not only play ascending but descending. So lower to higher and higher to lower. Okay, so 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Descending. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. P, 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 I, M, A, M, I, P, P, P. So it's very important when you practice this is to make sure it's consistent.
If you're serious about developing your fingerstyle technique as efficiently as possible, you can download the full practice package for this workout by visiting our Patreon page at the link below.
In this lesson, we're going to learn another popular fingerpicking pattern. I like to call this one the out and in pattern, as we start with the outer strings and move towards the mid strings. So we start with the 5th string, thumb, P, and then our middle finger on the 2nd string, M, and then our 4th string, thumb, D, and our 3rd string, index. So we have, again, 5, 2, 4, 3. P, M, P, I. So if we add a chord with this pattern, a C chord would be a great start. So we'll have C chord in our left hand, and P, M, P, I, P, M, P, I. So we're going to take the C major chord with our left hand, and with our right hand we're going to pluck the 5th string, P, our thumb. Then the 1st and 2nd string we're going to use M and A at the same time. So I suggest starting with just putting your fingers on the strings and plucking those to get comfortable with this pattern. Now let's try to include the thumb. So P, M, A. Then we'll go to the 4th string with the thumb. P, M, A. 5th string, P, M, A. 4th string, P, M, A. All together. Now we can change chords. We can go to the G major chord And we can use P on the 6th string and P on the 4th string. This is going to introduce a very basic Travis picking pattern, which we'll get into in another lesson. So we're going to start with P on the 6th string, MA on the 1st and 2nd string, P on the 4th string, and then MA on the 2nd and 1st. So again, that's P, MA, P, MA, P, MA, P, MA, and then P. Now let's switch between C and G. P, MA, P, 4, MA, G, P6, MA, P4, MA. Now without the commentary, C, G, we're going to start with the right hand thumb P on the 6th string. Then we're going to play with our I finger index on the 3rd string, our M finger middle on the 2nd, and our A finger ring on the 1st. So 6P, 3I, 2M, 1A. Now we're going to go to the 5th string, thumb, P, I on the 3rd, M on the 2nd, and A on the 1st. So again, P on the 5, I on the 3rd, M on the 2nd, and A on the 1. Then we're going to move to the 4th string with our thumb, P, I on the 3rd, M on 2nd, and A on 1st. So again, that's P, I, M, A. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to do this in succession. So we're going to play P on 6, 3, 5, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then 6 to end it. Now if we take a G major chord, a C major chord, and a D major chord, and when we play the ring finger, our 1st finger, we're going to switch chords after that string is plucked. So to demonstrate, we have a G major chord, our left hand. We're going to play 6, 3, 2, 1, and now we're going to switch to C major with the left hand and play 5, 3, 2, 1, and now we're going to switch to D major and play 4, 3, 2, 1, and then you can go back to G and play the 6th string. So that's a 1-4-5 progression. G, C, and D major. Let's play that again. So it's 6, 3, 2, 1, 5, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thumb, index, middle, ring, thumb, index, middle, ring, thumb, index, middle, ring, thumb.
If you're serious about developing your fingerstyle technique as efficiently as possible, you can download the full practice package for this workout by visiting our Patreon page at the link below.